what about this last row, Matt?
Brock Parks. And yes, your eyes are not deceiving you. It's Valentino Rossi in 26th place. Although we saw Rossi getting instructions from the officials that Cal Crutchlow will be starting next to him.
2.489 miles. The talking has stopped. The championship will now be decided out on the track.
And it's a dream start by Jorge Lorenzo from pole position. Look at Valentino Rossi streaming up the inside down into the first corner. It's going to be 99 Lorenzo though that leads the way from Danny Pedrosa, who's come through from the second row of the grid. There's Rossi trying to find his way back through the field. He's already up the inside of a few riders. Rossi now on the inside of Loris Baz at turn number 2. Lorenzo though leads the way. Rossi siding his way through the field.
Wow, right-handers. There is a Valentino Rossi. Right behind, right in front of him is Yoni Hernandez.
Sato leads over the line at the end of the first lap. Valentino Rossi then down in 15th place. He's about to move up the inside of Nicky Hayden, the 2006 world champion. Hayden will run out a little bit wide. Rossi can't find a way through on that powerful Pramac Ducati. Rossi will finally make it stick up the inside of Hayden down into the mid-third corner. This is where the championship was decided between the two of those back in 2006.
Oh, it's pretty hectic there for Valentino Rossi, trying to carve his way back through the field. There he is, 46. He lost the championship here 9 years ago. The front.
Rossi having real difficulty finding a way through on number 68, Yoni Hernandez. No way through there as they run down on the brakes. There is no Rossi, brilliantly late on the brakes. He's finally past the South America and now up into 14th place. And he's up the inside of Bautista as well. Super aggressive from Rossi. He's on the charge.
Rossi on the charge up the inside of Alvaro Bautista.
Set the fastest lap at 1:31.416. Rossi in the slipstream of Stefan Brahms Aprilia. Rossi picks up one more place down into the break. On the outside, Rossi looks really close. Rossi was...
And what about this last row, Matt?
Brock Parks. And yes, your eyes are not deceiving you. It's Valentino Rossi in 20. Danny Pedrosa's taken second place from Marc Marquez. Marc Marquez tries to fight back. Lorenzo out a little bit wide. Marquez back up the inside of Danny Pedrosa. The two Repsol Honda men fighting. This is music to... He's held off those two Hondas so far through turn number 2. Well, you're not going to see more contrasting emotions in the two sides of that factory Yamaha garage. Hector Barbara there, sporting a number 1 because he has won the Open Class Championship. Barbara, he finished outside of the points in 16th, but with Loris Baz down in 19th. Barbara is the top Open Class rider in 2015.
Listen to the reception for Valentino Rossi.
Tulang nung le, sok juara lo ang, jangan buang le.
Jangan ngajak juga ang le, kalah ang pula.
Kalah le, kenapa santai gitu nya juara tiga.
Kocik jalannya. Kocik jalannya. Kok. Wadah. Lari.